Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about the GET method. It's one of the dictionary methods we've been discussing for some time now. The method GET, which takes one parameter, key, may be used to access the value corresponding to key. It works like the square brackets operator if the key is found. Let's define a dictionary first. We have locations. And now let's access the element at key Chile. So locations with the key Chile. And we get South America, which is the corresponding value. We could also use the GET method, like so. Locations get Chile. The same result. If the key is not found, the square brackets operator raises an error, whereas GET returns none. Have a look. Locations with the key Peru, which is not in the dictionary. We get an error. How about the GET method? Locations get Peru. No error. So what is actually returned? Print locations get Peru. None. There is also a version with two parameters, key and value. We can use it to set a default value which will be returned if the key is not found. Have a look. Locations get Peru, and this is the default value which will be returned if the key Peru is not found in the dictionary, which it isn't. So this time we get South America, this default value. But if the key is found in a dictionary, this method will not return this value set as the second parameter, but the corresponding value from the dictionary. So have a look. Estonia, and we set this second parameter to North America, which by the way is wrong because Estonia is in Europe, and this time we get Europe because this value can be found in a dictionary. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.